We just got this 2-pack of camping chairs, and I'm going to open them for the first time. It is meant to be no assembly required. You are supposed to be able to just pop it out and go, so I'm excited to check them out. This is the blue, also comes in gray, and these are meant to be really heavy duty. You're supposed to be able to hold up to 350 pounds. They are on the heavier side. I mean, obviously, yes, they're easy to carry, but I've had some before that are super, super light. So I think it looks like, yeah, yep, exactly. So nice and just pops right out. I like that. It honestly feels really heavy duty. You've got some really nice thick arms right here, and it's got padding, which is really nice. You've got that padding, and it is Velcro, so you can take that off. And of course, you have this little side here that, you know, if you wanted to put your phone or, you know, whatever you want to put in there. And I think this one, oh, check this out. So that pops down, and then you have a drink holder. That's really cool. You never see that one. I like that it actually has this plastic part, so it actually will hold it. And yeah, here's the test. Let's actually sit in it, see how it feels. If it's comfortable, yeah. And like, you know what? It's wide enough. Many times I sit in these and I feel really cramped and uncomfortable. Wide, really comfortable. I feel like the back is nice and kind of like firm, so I'm not like, you know, super slouchy. Really nice. Again, heavy duty. It feels sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. And as I said, 2-pack, and look how it just, you know, throw it in this bag. It's great for, as I said, camping. These are really great for games, tailgating, whatever you need. These are great.